have to, hold on. I just have to realize something. I just realized that you took your hands off the wheel.
Yo, what are we doing today?
Ugh. I could be doing better without the rain.
Right? Thought we were not supposed to have rain this weekend.
I was hoping for just maybe a little bit of snow, but
right?
Jesus Christ. We're already halfway out of December.
Right.
January's not looking too promising. And then February, everything starts to grow, so that's it.
Right.
That's just,
so I think we got rain until April, right?
Yeah,
is what you're saying.
That's what I really feel like. I don't think we're going to get a lick of snow.
That's all right. I'm okay with that because the problem is when we get snow, it just turns into ice. So
you know what? And that's a lost for everyone. That's a lost
I didn't drive those 2 days that last year. You know, when we had that ice storm last year, I didn't drive those 2 days. I was like, well, this sucks.
I have to, hold on. I just have to realize something. I just realized that you took your hands off the wheel. Is that as promising as what they used to say? I can't say used to say, but as is? Because you just legit did it.
So we've got a stat now. So on the screen here,
yeah, I'm looking.
The car's gone 2,200 miles and it's driven 2,000 of that.
Is that for today?
No. That's since I got this stat about 2 weeks ago.
Okay. Oh, that's just your last refreshment.
No, that's pure. We just barely got this on the screen, and so it's going to show lifetime as I go.
Okay.
It's going to keep track of my lifetime, but we just barely got that on my screen 2 weeks ago.
Okay, so what's this blue thing? Are you just following this car automatically?
It's not. It is following the car, but it's not following the car.
Right.
It's using vision to navigate the road, but it's going slow because the car is in front of us.
Oh, you're not even turning right now.
No.
That's kind of cool, dude.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll let you see the show. Let's see. We want to go to the parking lot, but we want to take you to the curbside.
You're directing it to. What did you just direct it to do?
So it wanted to go to the Popeyes and then park. But I want to curbside you.
So you want to pull up?
Yeah, I want to pull up.
You do not want to park?
Yeah.
Did you tell it to turn right here?
Nope. It goes, oh, this lane's shorter. Let's go get over here.
Get out of here.
I'm serious, dude. It's crazy, right?
I know. I didn't see you do that at all.
Isn't that crazy?
We're both witnessing it right now.
Yeah, I figure I'm out of a job in about 3 years. I think it'll have my job in another 3 years.
That means after you is me.
So I think there's already robots for restaurants, right?
True.
But I just think it's
worth it though.
That's the thing. So there's two arguments to be said about that, right? Robots don't call out sick. They don't need break time.
Yeah.
They work 24/7, right? So over time, it would be cheaper than a human being. But that just takes economies of scale. Because right now, let's just say for sake of argument, a robot to replace you is $150,000, right? Let's just say for sake of argument, right?
Yeah.
But in the future, that same robot's going to be $50,000.
Yeah.
Then that's when it's going to be worth.
It'll be able to comprehend more.
Mm-hmm. And exactly. So it'll be cheaper and it'll be better. Just like anything that we do, right, is something we'll always get cheaper.
What was that bottom screen that just pulled up and then just...
This is lift screen.
Stopped and waited for the
those people. Yep. This is lift screen.
Oh God.
So it turned on the signal.
Yeah. Oh. So that's what screen I'm looking at right now.
Oh yeah, that's the signal, and that's
it's looking towards that way.
Yeah, it's a blind spot corner.
Wow, and it's just pulling up.
Let's see if it pulls up here like it should. There we go.
It's like a roller coaster.
It is a roller coaster.
But you're in the front. Whoa.
We made it. We did it.
You didn't do anything.
I pushed the button.
Hey man, hey, listen, you enjoy the rest of your day.
You do, man. Take care. Enjoy it, huh? Try to stay dry out there.
Yeah, peace.
You bet.